having a well-structured glossary and style guide makes a huge difference, because the AI, like with many tools, is only as good as you train it, right? And so I worked for quite some time on our glossary and also our style guide to make sure that it was thorough and understandable, so that when it was processed, that could be understood and utilized during the translation phase by the AI. That's really an important key aspect, because you want to stay consistent with your terminology, understand what is localizable, what is branded, and stick to that. And so once you have that defined, you document it so that the humans understand it, the AI understands it, and everyone's on the same page. And then it's a living document, and you continue to update it as a company progresses and has more features and things, so that it's reflective of the to-date of whatever the products, features, all those things are.